Hello everyone! Today we are going to crochet Lewisia Flower.
Here is the material: Funincloud 4-strand milk cotton yarn, stitch markers and tapestry needle, scissors, 2.0 crochet hook, 0.4mm soft wire, flower 2mm in diagram, hot glue gun with hot glue stick.
Let's crochet the flower petal first. Make a knot.
Crochet 16 chains as foundation chain line.
Add the soft wire when finishing 15 chains. Then continue to work the 16th chain. Starting on the second chain from the hook, work a single crochet stitch. Mark on the first single crochet stitch. Continue to work a single crochet on the next chain. We need to work 6 single crochet stitches in total. Work a half double crochet when finishing 6 single crochet stitches. We need to work 4 half double crochet stitches in total. Work double crochet when finishing 4 half double crochet stitches. Work 4 double crochet stitches in total. Now there will be last chain left. Work 3 double crochet in the last chain stitch. Then continue to work chain 3. Insert hook into the same chain stitch. Work a slip stitch in the same stitch. Then continue to work chain 3. Work 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Begin to work double crochet on the next stitch. Work 4 double crochet stitches in total. Work 4 half double crochet stitches when finishing 4 double crochet. Then work 6 single crochet stitches. Handle with all yarn ends. Then work slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. work a chain. Enlarge the chain stitches loop. Fasten off and wrap the soft wire with left yarn. Cut of yarn. Now we have finished one flower petal. We need to crochet 9 petals in total. To make the petals more beautiful, take out the dark pink yarn.
To separate the 4 strand to 1 strand, sew the vine on the petal with tapestry needle.
Now let's make the stamens. Prepare a 10 cm long soft wire and pink yarn in 2 strands. Wrap around the soft wire. Then bend the soft wire in half. Continue to wrap. Then take out milk white yarn in 2 strands to wrap. We need to make 7 stamens in total. Now let's assemble the Lewisia flower.
Twist the end of stamens.
Assemble the petals around the stamens. Align the bottom parts. Then take out the flower wire. Insert the flower wire into the center, approximately at the place. Then take out the green yarn. Use the green yarn to wrap around. Wrap it tightly. We need to wrap it until the bottom. Use the hot glue to fix the yarn.
Tidy up the petals.
Now we have finished a Lewisia flower. Congratulations!